Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of digital marketing with the top 5 AI tools you need to know about in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these tools will help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's get started. First up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps you generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, and even ad copy in minutes. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Jasper can understand your brand's tone and style, making it an essential tool for any digital marketer. Next on our list is HubSpot's AI-powered CRM. This tool uses AI to analyze customer interactions and predict future behavior, helping you tailor your marketing strategies for maximum impact. From lead scoring to personalized email campaigns, HubSpot's AI features make managing customer relationships a breeze. Coming in at number 3 is AdX AI. AdX uses machine learning to optimize your ad campaigns across multiple platforms, including Google Ads and Facebook. It continuously adjusts your bids and targeting to ensure you're getting the best possible return on investment. Say goodbye to manual ad management and hello to smarter, more efficient campaigns. Fourth on our list is MarketMuse. This AI-driven content research and optimization tool helps you create content that ranks. MarketMuse analyzes your existing content and identifies gaps, providing you with data-driven recommendations to improve your SEO strategy. It's like having a personal content strategist at your fingertips. Last but not least, we have ChatGPT for customer engagement. This AI chatbot can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even assist with sales. By integrating ChatGPT into your website or social media channels, you can offer 24/7 support and enhance your customer experience. And there you have it. The top 5 AI tools for digital marketing in 2024. These tools are revolutionizing the way we approach marketing, making it more efficient and effective than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.